Hello students, today we are going to discuss about prefabricated structures. So in prefabricated structures, it can be of concrete, timber, steel framing or sandwich paneling. If we divide it into four groups, construction of prefabricated structures like bridges, skyscrapers, modular houses. In timber wood framing, box frame, trunk frame, and isolate frame are most popular as prefabricated structures. Panelized wood framing, all wood panelized framing are done. So this is the Earth's spaceship in concrete. Let us see now how prefabricated structures are been done in concrete. Pre-stressed concrete. So how it is done? Pre-tensioning tendons instead of normal steel bars are provided, and which allow concrete to withstand tension by friction. Benefits: it is having longer span, thinner slabs, fewer joints between spans. So in the figure you can see how the tendons are being pre-tensioned. Precast slab, solid flat slab, hollow core slab, flat slab, single T and double T. These are the various types of slabs which are precasted. Precast building also are present, in which a large panel system is there. Lip slab system with walls. In the picture we can see precast building system with frame system, in which beam column junctions are there and corbels at columns for beams are there. Steel framing, superstructure carried skeleton is there, and which helps to build a building using steel. Rectangular grid supporting floor, walls, etc. Prefabrication in skyscrapers. You can think of using prefabricated materials in buildings of skyscrapers as some Lego assembly on an immense and monumental scale. In the figure we can see how the prefabricated structures are being transported and being applied to various parts of the building. So the examples of prefabricated skyscrapers are mini city is there, 57 stories and 19 atriums with 10-meter tall each, 400 people working spaces, 800 households, and the location is in China, Changsha, and it was constructed in only in 10 working days. Segmental bridges, which is another example of a bridge, support towers at sides, concrete prefab segments lifted by cranes and attached together by steel reinforcement. Modular houses are also been prepared by precast units. Full rooms or floors are just ready for assembly. Crane assemble the house in few days. Advantages: it saves cost, time, no site disturbance, no weather delays. So now we are going to see what are the advantages and disadvantages of precast structures. Basic criteria is construction time, construction cost, quality, site complexity. Any construction if you consider, but when we consider precast, what are the advantages? It saves time because it is indoor fabrication, independence of weather condition. In rainy season also we can construct it. Construction called bulk orders, less indirect cost, fewer labor. This include the cost is reduced. Ongoing quality, stable production conditions. Quality is maintained. Site complexity, less overlapping activities can be avoided. Standard construction method is there for precast. For the disadvantages, construction time is no problem, but construction cost is there. Transportation cost is there. Professional labor is required for making precast structures. Heavy duty machineries are required to lifting like girders, everything. Quality, you need to have consistency in the quality. Untrained labor cannot work, and leakage problems are there. Site compression, limited working areas are will be there, limited transport routes. Thank you.